Beep.
Look mean. Did you see the red? Ready?
Yeah. Gotcha, Sam.
I was already killed.
I get you, Rick?
Yeah, you got my hand.
Gotcha, Dave. Or Mike, sorry, Mike. Gotcha, Sam.
No, I was Sam. I was trying to shoot Tony. And your big fat butt was in the way. All right, guys. What? It was kind of overboard. Okay. I knew Trevor and Kyle were up to secret.
Actually, it wasn't even like, I guess I was the one who ran around, but somebody got Mike, and then this was just completely open. So I just ran around, bam.
Man.
I killed all three in the comments room.
Right? Give him 10 seconds.
I got Sam, Rick, Mike.
10, 9, 8, 7,
You shoot
6, 5, 4,
That's more fun.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Rick got me. Hey, got you, Dave.
I know.
Did I get you? Kyle?
Did you?
I don't know, did you feel it in your arm?
I didn't feel it on my arm.
Okay, never mind.
Dude, I got all the way across. That's no problem.
That hit you? Whoa!
Hey, there's no computer over here. There's no computer. This game's closed.
So none of us died last round?
Yeah, no one died last round.
Time. They have no computer to log their kills.
We don't have Jake.
We don't have Jake's computer.
So while it's tied, can we walk away and assume new positions?
Yeah. We like to fun. Oh, we usually do now. Yeah. How are you guys? Like, nobody died in your team then?
The first round, though.
Oh, jeez. That is awful.
Don't worry, everyone in your team only died once, I think.
Did anyone on our team die? The first
Not
round?
The first round.
No. We just ran and killed them all and right away.
Where's the timer? Who has the timer? Is it on Trevor's phone? Hey, Trevor, where's the timer at?
It's on another tab on the computer.
Okay.
You gonna reset it?
We're resetting, they decided. 7:35. Okay.
Yep.
We need to get someone to replace Jake's responsibilities for Nerf.
Okay, we're ready. Okay, when you get back, yell at us, Trevor.
Say when you're ready.
Hey, we're ready.
Let's go on.
Are you going now?
Sure. Okay. I'll go that way.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Hey, Kyle's coming, Craig.
Watch the backside, watch the backside.
Hey, this way. Good strike.
No, I didn't do it. I didn't tell you, you're on.
The other side of the doorway.
Did I get you?
Jordan.
We need to make that wall higher.
Good. Oh, who's that? Somebody hit my gun.
Yeah, get your gun.
Who's there?
Look up the door, he's over there. Right there. There we go.
Got you, Rick.
You guys gotta get out. Russian, you got 3 in there.
Got you. Got you, Sam.
Ow.
Got your gun.
Did you shoot? Good. Is that pin?
Yeah.
Yes, that's a pin.
All 3 of you.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Gotta ask her.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Got you, Rick.
How'd you get
What
in
the?
there
How
already?
did you get in
Got you,
there already?
Trevor. I ran when you said 1.
You're supposed to be running when you say third goal. Not one.
What?
Nothing.
Did you say something, Trevor? That
It's
was
not a
lame.
touch screen.
Is that a pin?
I think it's a pin.
For who?
That's a pin.
We pin them?
Yeah, Trevor just called it. Change! 10! 9! 8!
My only goal this game is to not die as many as I can kill. Kill as many as I can.
3, 2, 1, up!
Josh is in the L.
I've got the corner!
Got you, Rick. Time. I'm not gonna log that last one.
What?
Nope. Not going to.
Time was not.